Hello guys, today I'm reviewing this one. This is bicycle phone holder from the AliExpress, and then well, it's quite expensive, but meantime hope it will be long lasting. So what you get in the box is this holder, even branded, little instruction here, and this is good as well. Get a little key for like putting everything together. Here's the instruction, etc. So it depends how you put it and what you do or not to want to do. And then in my case I will put this in my old bicycle, this one, and then here I'll put some speedometer or odometer or whatever else, and there I am about to put this one. This well rotates, so yeah, it's very nice. However, it's not suitable for quite large phones, at least I think so. I would not be very confident with that, but my goal is try to put it on here. We'll see if it will fit or not. So I just remove this one with this little piece, just like unbolt this one. Comes with right tool here. After you remove one of these bolts here, screws here, you can leave this one like that, halfly open, and then so it will be easier to assemble. Comes to all with 3 little stripes here. To be honest, I put this as one on another bike as well, like with a lot thinner this tube here, so I had to fuse all of these 3. So it's good that I put a lot of these, but I think for my case I will just need one. Put it something like that. So let's dig in and put it on. So I just like rotate that. Okay. It's gonna be challenging with one hand. Or else I will just slip this rubber piece so it's like on top and each end. In my case, looking something like that, so I can rotate that one. This like for the phone holding, just adjust it so it's like in line with whatever we want. I will put this little bolt here too and lock this in place, and then just tighten these little bolts there and here. And speaking about the build quality, well, to be honest, I would say this is pretty nicely built. At least there's rubber here, rubber there, so kind of helps protect your phone. Very nicely rotates, so it's no good with the click sound. Yeah, these bolts, I'm not sure how much I will use these. Anyway, maybe if I'm going a lot with bicycle, this need to be used. I would say it's good build quality stuff here. And then here as well you can adjust these ones for the thickness of your phone, but we'll see how this works or not. This is just iPhone. Slide it in and you see kind of fits therein, and you can as well rotate like that and use like, I don't know, how do you wish, and slide it even lower or higher. So something like that. Anyway, it's pretty nice, I would say so. Yeah, even this fits there nicely. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope at least you give you a little hint how this little phone holder for your bicycle looks and how functional it is. To be honest, it's probably not the best for the bigger size phones than this one. This is the iPhone, because it's quite tight already there.